In this episode, we're diving into Nasi Kandar restaurants. This is one of my favorite cuisine. Follow me as I peel back the layers of Nasi Kandar. This is the original Muslim Indian influences Nasi Kandar. So Maxie, do you want to run us through what we have and what we've ordered?
So basically we have kind of like ayam kurma. I think it's similar with like what we have in Minangkabau, like gulai ayam. We have daging hitam.
This one?
Sotong, same like a gulai as well. No?
Yep.
This is like all the internal parts. Tribes.
Maxie loves this dish, and he's going to have all of it on his own.
I mean, it's good. If you want to have a high cholesterol, but it's nice, man. It's very, very nice. Kari kambing merah, right?
Kari kambing, I think it's just kari kambing. And then here you have an okra. So let's dig in and do a taste tester. For me, korma, because I've had this dish, and very similar to this, in Aceh. So in Aceh, they sometimes put almonds in there, but what they will put in here is almond or cashew nut paste.
Okay.
So that's generally what thicken it and keeping it as a white curry. You can taste the cardamom in there. Okay, next one. For me, it's more like a dendeng semur with spice.
Yeah, it's sweet, very sweet.
Basically very similar to like a Malaysian fish curry, using the same sort of curry powder, just a little bit of acidity in there. Here it's slightly sweet, isn't it?
More into the sweetness.
The dreaded tripe, which I cannot eat, sorry, but I'm going to taste the sauce. You actually like tripe?
I like that.
Oh, you do?
I do.
Oh, I was joking. I was trying to push you to eat the whole thing because you didn't like it.
I love
I
it.
can't stand tripe.
This will try.
Good, yeah? Enak?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. After you. Now we have our kari kambing. Again,
This is quite similar one another, no?
and very mild. I actually personally prefer
More.
the other one that went to. There are better flavors in there.
The previous place that we visit is for me like more bold, more punchy.
So which one's your favorite?
Oh, this is like more too sour.
Yeah, this is one I like actually. Much more sour on it.
I enjoy this one.
Almost good.
I definitely go with this as well.
Yeah, you like it? Yeah. When they say nasi banjir, which is basically flood my plate of curry, you can see that all the sauces work because they kind of all taste the same. They just got different variances of chili and color. One's hotter than the other, but actually the notes on it, the only one that really is, I suppose, quite different is probably this one, and then the end one. You must come here because it's open almost 24 hours and it's called Line Clear because the line is smooth and clear and never interrupted. You'll always get served here.
Exactly.